Welcome back to the Tractor Tech channel. I'm Roger. Today I'm replacing the front seal in this PTO gearbox on this rotary cutter. This procedure would be the same for any PTO driven implement, whether it's a finish mower, tiller, whatever, anything with a PTO gearbox. It's going to be very, very similar to this. So we'll go ahead and get started by removing the PTO shaft. So if you look around the shaft and the seal, it's pretty obvious that that seal is completely shot. So I'll wipe things off so I can see things just a little bit better and go ahead and pop the seal out. I'm going to run a self-drilling screw into the seal. Now using a long pair of needle nose pliers, going to pry the seal out. Now we're using a larger self-drilling screw. There it is. I took a piece of sandpaper and cleaned the area up where the seal goes. Then I blew it off with some brake cleaner. The new seal is ready to be installed now. Make sure there's no sharp edges on the bolt hole. I'm going to go over it with a file. I'm going to wipe a little bit of oil onto the seal prior to installation. And a little on the shaft. There's a completed seal installation. Now all that has to be done is put the shaft back on the gearbox and then check the gearbox oil. So on this gearbox, this is where you put the oil in, and this is the level plug. You put the oil in until it runs out of this plug. Of course, you need to have the implement setting level when you check the fluid. Well, the shaft's back on the rotary cutter now, so that concludes the installation of the seal. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful.